Good morning, students. Students, today I will teach you lesson number 1, If Mice Could Roar. This is a poem written by Ruskin Bond, and in this poem, Ruskin Bond imagines how the world will be if the things and creatures change their actual nature and behave differently. According to him, in this poem, he imagines the world will be most beautiful than this. Then this means in the materialistic world, everyone is struggling and trying to do their best for their happy life. But here Ruskin Bond imagines if the creatures change their actual nature, what the world will be. Now, students, I am going to recite the poem. Listen it carefully, and after that, I will explain the poem. Now, listen. If mice could roar, and elephants soar, and trees grew up in the sky, if tigers could dine on biscuits and wine, and the fattest of men could fly, if pebbles could sing, and bells never ring, and teachers were lost in the post, if a tortoise could run and losses be won, and bullies be buttered on toast, if a song brought a shower, and a gun grew a flower, this world will be nicer than most by Ruskin Bond. Here, students, I have recited the poem. Now, listen line to line. Here, the poet says that if mice, the meanest creature, could roar, who roars? The lion roars. So the poet says that if mice could roar like a lion, then what will happen? And elephants, the largest land animal, as you know, and he imagines that elephants could soar high in the sky, then what will be the scene? And the next line, and trees grew up in the sky. Trees used to grow on the land, as you know. And if trees change their nature and used to grow in the sky, how the scene will be? If tigers could dine on biscuits and wine, and tigers leave their actual nature, original nature, to eat the flesh and used to take biscuits and wine like a human being, then what will happen? And next line, and the fattest of men could fly. Fattest of men means the man who cannot run easily, walk easily, and could fly like a bird. Then what will be the scene be? How nice the scene be. The world looks like. Next line, if pebbles could sing and bells never ring. Pebbles are called small stones near the rivers or you can see. And they started singing and bells never ring. Bells here means you can say bell of the school or the bell which tells the sad news. They never ring, and all the times people are happy and enjoying. Next line, and teachers were lost in the post. Students, if you see the literal meaning of the post, means they are posted somewhere else and sent. But here, if you see the classroom situation, that teachers should not, will not instruct students to study or to keep discipline or give any instruction related to study. Teachers leave the student to enjoy their self, play according to their own. So how happy will the students be if teacher uh, did not guide them and instruct them to study? How the scene way, how the students will be happy and they enjoy their life their own. Next line, if a tortoise could run and losses be won. And the tortoise, you know, you have heard the story of the hare and tortoise. Tortoise used to move slowly, slowly. And he started running like a hare. What will be the scene? And losses be won. And the losses, whatever loss the human being have faced, they won. They won become you can say victory, and they did not lose anything. So what the scene be, how the people be happy. Next line, and bullies be buttered on toast. Here, as the literal meaning, you see the butter is applied on the toast. Butter is a softer one and toast is a hard. And butter is applied on the toast. Here, bullies are the persons. You can say they are the arrogant and ruling on the weaker ones. Dominating person, proudy person. They rules on the weaker ones. If they become soft like the butter and helpful and soft like the butter, then how the nice the world be if the weakers are weakers are helpful by the bullies, then how the nice the world be, no one will be suffer and frustrate, you can say everyone will be happy. As the butter you can say softer one is used on the toast, and the bullies will become like a butter, means soft like a butter. Now the next line, if a song brought a shower and a gun grew a flower. If a song, as you know, the poet imagines that while singing, the song brought a shower, rain. It brought a rain. How the nice scene will be. And a gun grew a flower, and a gun which grew a bullet from that and hurts other persons. What he imagines, what will be the scene if the gun grew a flower instead of the bullet? How nice it will be, no one will be hurt and their life will be secure and peaceful and happy. And the last line, you see, this world would be nicer than most, by the Ruskin Bond. The Ruskin Bond imagines if this is happening, if the actual nature of the creatures are changed, how nice this world will be. It will be most beautiful and nicer in the you can say um, better than before. In this materialistic world, you see all are struggling for their best, doing for their best. If this happens, how the nice the world will be. Okay, students, I have told you the meaning and you learn it and write it in your notebook. Okay, thank you.